A bad apple. A bad person in a group. He's just a bad apple in our otherwise great team. A bed of roses. An easy life. Life is not a bed of roses, you have to work hard. ABC. Primary knowledge. He knows the ABC of logic. Above all. Most importantly. Above all, be honest. Achilles heel. Weak point. English is his Achilles heel. After all. Despite everything. He is after all your friend. All at once. Suddenly. All at once it started raining. All but. Almost. He was all but drowned. Apple of discord. Subject of dispute. This land is an apple of discord. Apple of one's eye. Favorite person. She is the apple of her father's eye.